British multinational banking giant HSBC has tapped Ripple Labs-own Metaco to offer institutional-grade crypto custody service. By the way, what triggered the Digital Euro Association acknowledgement towards Ripple's involvement in the National Bank of Georgia's digital Lari pilot project? Also, Ripple has partnered with Onafriq to expand its remittance solution in 27 African countries, the UK, Australia, and the Gulf Cooperation Council. Finally, can XRP maintain its splendid start to November? Stick with me till the end to find out more. If this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we happily send you a special welcome. We invite you to hit on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To stand the chance of participating, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced on the 15th of November. HSBC Holdings plc, formerly known as the Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation, is a British multinational bank and financial services group based in London, England, offering corporate clients room to safeguard tokenized digital assets. Based on a Bloomberg report, the proposed offering will go live in 2024. Metaco, the Swiss-based firm acquired by Ripple earlier this year for $250 million, will power this HSBC offering. While the switch to crypto custody marks uncharted territory for HSBC, it will complement the firm's existing digital issuance outfit called HSBC Orion. HSBC Orion itself hinges on distributed ledger technology to issue tokens that account for the ownership of gold bullion it currently holds in its London vault. The pivot from core financial services to tokenization involving blockchain is an easy one for HSBC and stems from growing demand from its clients, according to Zhu Quang Li, the Chief Digital, Data, and Innovation Officer of Securities Services at HSBC. The choice of Metaco is a testament to the successful acquisition by Ripple. Since the duo closed the deal, Metaco has closed high-profile partnerships to advance its growing dominance in the institutional custody space. Earlier this year, Citigroup also contracted Metaco to help build its digital assets custody offering. With Metaco currently deepening its foothold in the tokenization scene, securing the largest share of the industry projected to top $10 trillion by 2030 remains the primary goal. It is worth noting that more crypto projects have this goal as well, with Floki recently launching TokenFi to capture a portion of the tokenization market as well. Tapping Metaco for this service is a great call for HSBC, judging by the ease with which the firm can gain access to Ripple's expertise to bolster its role as demanded. The crypto custody services will complement the push of HSBC in the crypto world. The bank ranks as one of the first to embrace the concept of the metaverse when it inked a partnership with the Sandbox back in March last year. Away from custodial services, HSBC expanded its accepted payment methods for its customers recently. As reported, the bank's customers could pay for their mortgage bills through Shiba Inu and XRP via the FC Pay gateway as early as September. Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. In a tweet on Tuesday, the Digital Euro Association, DEA, a digital money advocacy group, recently spotlighted Ripple's involvement in the National Bank of Georgia's central bank digital currency project. The DEA emphasized that the National Bank of Georgia selected Ripple as its technology partner for the digital Lari pilot. Recall that Ripple made headlines last week after it announced its involvement in the NBG CBDC pilot project. Before Ripple's selection, the blockchain company went through a tough selection procedure conducted by the NBG. In September, the Bank of Georgia released a list of 9 companies that could eventually become its technology partner during the second testing phase of digital Lari. At the time, NBG included Ripple alongside 8 other companies, such as Broxus, BitInc, DCM Corp, Currency Network, Agentic, and others, as potential technology partners for the project. The Apex Bank of Georgia announced Ripple as its preferred choice for the digital Lari. The NBG selected Ripple due to the company's expertise in CBDC developments, as well as its knowledge of the project's use case. In addition, Ripple's CBDC platform also played a pivotal role in the company's selection. According to the announcement, NBG aims to use the platform to assess the benefits of digital Lari to the government of Georgia, businesses, and individual retail users. Prior to its involvement in the digital Lari pilot project, Ripple had deeply immersed itself in CBDC developments. Consequently, various central banks seeking to issue CBDCs have selected the blockchain company as a technology partner in their respective digital currency projects. Earlier this year, Ripple disclosed that it was working with more than 20 countries in relation to CBDC developments. Some of the countries include Palau, Bhutan, Montenegro, and Colombia. Meanwhile, this is not the first time the DEA has spotlighted Ripple's involvement in a CBDC project, as it previously highlighted the company's selection in MasterCard's CBDC program. It is worth mentioning that Ripple has been a gold supporting member of the DEA since 2022. The advocacy group noted that Ripple was selected as a member due to its expertise in CBDC developments. Earlier this year, Ripple disclosed that its director of CBDC product management, Anthony Ralphs, contributed to the DEA's white paper on CBDC and digital assets. Furthermore, leading blockchain company Ripple Labs has announced a strategic partnership during the start of Ripple Swell with payments fintech Onafriq to broaden its remittance capabilities. Under the partnership, Onafriq will leverage Ripple's technology to facilitate crypto asset-related payments in Africa and other regions. With Ripple's solution, Onafriq has opened 3 new payment corridors in the UK, Gulf nations, and Australia. According to the announcement, Zotzi Transfer will serve customers in Australia, while PayAngel will enable remittance services for its customers in the UK. In addition, Abu Dhabi-based PYYPL will cater to customers within GCC nations, including Kuwait, Qatar, Oman, Bahrain, the United Arab Emirates, and Saudi Arabia. Aaron Sears, Ripple's Senior Vice President of Global Customer Success, shared his enthusiasm about the company's service expansion into Africa. He mentioned that by linking their partners, PayAngel, PayPal, and Zotzi Transfer, with Onafriq through Ripple Payments, they aim to provide faster and more cost-effective cross-border payment solutions. This will benefit individuals looking to send money to Africa from various parts of the world. Formerly known as MFS Africa, Onafriq is a fintech company that offers mobile financial solutions across Africa. MFS Africa recently changed its name to Onafriq following its significant growth and acquisition, especially the June 2022 purchase of US-based payment software developer Global Technology Partner. With the acquisition, Onafriq expanded its reach into the US markets. However, the company opted for a name change since another US company operates under the trademark MFS. It bears mentioning that Onafriq has been a major partner of Ripple. The company's partnership with Ripple has led to its integration of on-demand liquidity, a solution leveraging XRP to facilitate cross-border remittances. As reported earlier, Onafriq inked a partnership deal with Western Union. The strategic partnership allows customers to send money from anywhere in the world into Onafriq-powered mobile wallets in Africa. Furthermore, Onafriq also partnered with Access Bank for outward remittances from Nigeria and Kenya. Meanwhile, Onafriq's latest partnership with Ripple comes during the opening of Ripple Swell, Ripple's annual conference. Onafriq links 500 million plus mobile wallets in 40 African nations, serving 1,300 plus payment corridors and fostering regional payment compatibility for smooth cross-border transactions. Notably, XRP enthusiasts speculate that the blockchain company could make significant announcements to set XRP on the path of a major rally. Currently, XRP is up 2.1% to 70 cents, according to CoinGecko data. Now to the big question of the day: can XRP maintain its splendid start to November? Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. XRP investors have enjoyed an explosive start to November, with nearly 22% gains amassed in the first 7 days of the month. However, if history is anything to go by, there might be more mouth-watering profits in the pipeline. Historical data reveals that XRP returns an average of 71% profit in November, making it one of the best months for anyone to hold the coin. Only December has recorded a higher monthly return with an average of 82.7% gains. Diving into the data suggests further reasons for optimism among XRP holders. For instance, the record shows that XRP has had 3 Novembers in its history where it yielded triple-digit returns for investors. In the most recent high-profile month, XRP gained 178% in November 2020. Meanwhile, if XRP closes November in the green, it will set a new record for a 3-month winning streak in 2023. The asset enjoyed a mild 0.42% increase in September, followed by a more convincing 16.5% gain last month. The previous time XRP delivered more than 3 months of consecutive gains was in 2017. At the time, XRP gained 278%, 137%, and 378% in February, March, and April, respectively, before having a relatively quiet May with just 7% gains. While nothing is guaranteed in the highly unpredictable crypto scene, XRP has enjoyed bullish momentum in recent weeks. A major contributor has been Ripple's legal victories against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, with the company's executives recently acquitted in the latest development on the story. Another positive driver is the Ripple Swell event, scheduled for November 8th and 9th in Dubai. The high-profile event typically features major announcements about Ripple, potentially impacting XRP prices positively. For instance, rumors have emerged that Ripple will announce its highly anticipated IPO during the event. Ideally, the asset's recent rise in November suggests traders are already speculating on such an outcome, and another busy month for XRP prices lies ahead. Make sure you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.